Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel DS Gyadrishti. Today my video is based on a very important topic, English grammar. In this video we learn about how we can write an essay on Jawaharlal Nehru or Chacha Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was a great freedom fighter of India. He was known as Chacha Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of independent India. As a Prime Minister, he served India for 16 years. Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad, now Prayagraj, had the privilege of receiving the finest education due to his father's prosperous status as a prominent lawyer. His father Motilal Nehru was affluent, which enabled Nehru to pursue studies abroad. He attended Harrow and Cambridge universities in England and obtained his degree in 1910. He was a nationalist leader who, along with Mahatma Gandhi and several other leaders, led the independence movement. Known to every Indian, was a key leader in India's independence movement during 1930s and 1940s. Jawaharlal Nehru held the distinguished honor of being India's inaugural Prime Minister. He possessed an extraordinary vision, and apart from his leadership and political roles, he was also a writer. His famous book was The Discovery of India, a letter to the daughter. His unwavering dedication to India's prosperity led him to work tirelessly day and night. Among his many significant accomplishments, he presided over the Indian National Congress, drafted the Declaration of Independence in 1929, managed the division of India, established the Election Commission, and ratified the Indus Water Treaty. People of all ages in India still recall and value Nehru's contribution. He founded many institutes like UGC, IIT, and and many other institutes. His contribution for India as well valuable as a gold. So thank you for listening and watching this video.